Education welcomes you all for this series of videos to improve the understanding of English with the help of a lexical resources test and solutions to empower your communication. Now pause this video and take out a paper and pen to evaluate the accuracy. Now, I am going to speak 40 words related to foods and cuisines which you encounter on a daily basis. Please don't pause the video ready in between and skip the words which you are unable to write down. Ready, 1, 2, 3, start. 1. Gourmet. 2. Cuisine. 3. Seasoning. 4. Spices. 5. Herbs. 6. Appetizer. 7. Entrée. 8. Dessert. 9. Recipe. 10. Baking. 11. Roasting. 12. Grilling. 13. Sautéing. 14. Steaming. 15. Fermentation. 16. Marinade. 17. Glaze. 18. Umami. 19. Aroma. 20. Texture. 21. Savory. 22. Sweet. 23. Bitter. 24. Tangy. 25. Sour. 26. Crispy. 27. Crunchy. 28. Tender. 29. Juicy. 30. Smoky. 31. Organic. 32. Vegan. 33. Vegetarian. 34. Gluten-free. 35. Dairy-free. 36. Preservatives. 37. Condiments. 38. Garnish. 39. Fusion. 40. Plating. If you are done revising, then check the correct spelling in the description and try to make a 2 minutes monologue by using these words and comment below. For more such videos and content, like, share and subscribe.